2016 Porsche Carrera, black edition. Got black edition written on the door sills. All right, I pretty much buttoned up the whole front end. This is what we're looking like. Man, finally looks like a car again. So headlights are in, bumper is installed. Everything's connected, everything is working. The LEDs, blinkers, parking sensors, everything's good to go. So I was actually able to find some Warsteiner wheels on the Facebook Marketplace to replace my 20-inch wheels. And these wheels are 21-inch front and back. I'm gonna get these tires installed, see what it looks like, and then we can finally move the car around. Got my Porsche in the spray booth for the final stretch of paint work, which is gonna be the hood and this quarter panel. The rocker had some scuffs all along the bottom. I reapplied the texture coating, and we're just gonna refinish the entire quarter. So I'm gonna start masking it up, and then we'll get to painting. Here we are in the spray booth. It's the next day and car is painted. Everything is dry and this thing is looking pretty slick. Very nice, turned out beautiful and super clean. Wow, this finish makes me want to redo the whole car, just make it look brand new. But I think we should take care of it with a little bit of polishing and color sanding, and then restoring the whole car back to original shine. But yeah, super nice, turned out beautiful, and we're ready to take this car out. All right, we got our final delivery for the Porsche 911. It's my fender liner for the right front wheel. We got it used, but it's in perfect condition, just needs a little cleanup. It's the front part and the rear part. And just in time, since we have to take the wheels off, we just got this little 21 volt max brushless impact wrench to take the wheels on and off. Comes with 2 batteries, and we'll test it out, see how it works. Let's open it up. Oh wow, look at this. It even comes with a little carrying case. That's awesome. This is a big plus for storage. So here's the 2 batteries. Now come charged. Wow, feels very solid, and even has a little adaptive handle. And of course a charger. And then I think here are the sockets. So we got a 21 inch, 24, 22, 19, and the 17. It feels like it doesn't have enough power, but I want to test this out. All right, here we are, final step of my Porsche rebuild. Got the wheels installed, was waiting on the fender liners. We got these delivered. We got a new SEESII Power Tools impact gun that we're gonna use to remove the wheels. Very affordable on Amazon. I'll provide the link down below, but we'll see how it works. We're gonna jack the vehicle up, get the tire off, and do a quick install and be ready to go for the weekend. Works very well. I like it. Let's get the wheel off.
Papa, are you gonna paint it today? The red?
The red? Oh, you want the red calipers? We're gonna do the calipers another day because I have to get the whole car up on the lift, get all 4 wheels off, and then we're gonna have to prep them, mask the car, and then we'll do the red glossy paint with white Porsche letters. That'll be another video. For now, we're getting the liners installed, and then we're gonna do a detail on the vehicle and show you guys the final product. All right, we got our fender liner installed. Check it out. Now we got protection from the elements, and no water or debris is gonna go inside the fender liners. I also sprayed the rotor hat black. That way it looks a little cleaner. We gotta get the bolts hand tight. That way we don't strip the thread trying to drive them in with the impact. So once you have the thread going, you can safely use the impact. And last but not least is our wheel lock nut. Also thread it by hand and then torque it. All right, let her down. There it goes. What can I say? I can't say anything bad about it. It works super good. We'll see with time how long it lasts. Battery is still at 4 bars, so yeah, we'll be testing it out. Hopefully it lasts us a long time, but for the price of this power tool, I wouldn't mind replacing it every year if I had to, but hopefully we won't. And that's about wraps it up in this episode. officially finished with my Porsche 911 project, and man, oh man, this car is a beast. So fun to drive, super slick, black on black. I didn't even do the window tint to keep it nice and classic. Very happy with how everything turns out with the wheels, the paint job. Still needs a few things, but overall, this car is a beauty. All the repairs went nicely. Our gaps and parts are on point, as you can see. And nobody would ever tell this car was ever in an accident. Actually, it looks better than most 911s out there that are more than 10 years old. So here you have it. Interior also turned out super nice. I love the red details on the steering wheel, the cluster, and the seat belts. Got the Porsche logo on the seats, black edition. Got the black Porsche 911 badging to tie it all in. Super nice car, super excited to enjoy this car. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the rebuild on my Porsche 911. Be sure to leave me a comment below, hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel. That's gonna be it for today. We'll see you on the next one.